Most people think AI makes them smarter, but what it actually does is makes them faster. And that's where the danger creeps in. In the last video, I talked about how AI can create false confidence, especially for smart people. And here's the part that matters underneath that. I've had AI tell me more than once that an idea for my business was great, that I was onto something, that it made sense. And honestly, that felt good. I felt smart. I felt intuitive. I felt like a smart operator who had spotted an opportunity. And that feeling is seductive because it removes friction. Now, out of habit, not brilliance, just habit, I said one more thing. I said, be devil's advocate. Please challenge me and tell me why this won't work. And the answer completely changed. Suddenly, it could now see all the downsides, the risks, the blind spots. It was the same AI, it was the same idea, but a different question. And that was the moment that it clicked for me that AI isn't judging your idea, it's supporting the direction of your question. So by default, it is trying to be helpful. It's encouraging you, it's being a cheerleader, and it will confidently move your thinking forwards, whether it's a good idea or whether the idea is flawed. Not because AI is wrong, it's because AI is obedient. Now, the real risk isn't bad advice, it's that unearned certainty. If I hadn't challenged it, it wouldn't have challenged me, and I would have gone down the wrong path and lost time and energy and headspace, and my attention would have been diluted chasing shiny objects that sounded good, but that weren't warranted. And honestly, I would have felt a bit silly believing a robot had I not pressure tested the idea myself. Now, I had the exact same experience with an app idea, same pattern, same early validation and encouragement from AI, and that same false sense of I'm onto something. So a less experienced version of me would have rushed into it because AI had, in my mind, validated it. Not because AI was reckless, but because confidence without resistance feels like clarity. Experience teaches you something different. Speed is cheap, judgment is not. So whenever I use AI to think through an idea, I do one thing consistently, and that is I ask it not to agree with me, but to challenge me. And I explicitly tell it, don't be a yes man. Give me the reasons why my thinking is flawed. Tell me why the idea won't work. Because AI won't save you from bad decisions, but when you use it properly, it can help you see them faster, and that is a very different role.